Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to recover all deleted TikTok videos. For example, if you have recently deleted some of the TikTok videos, but you have deleted the videos which you do not want to delete. So if you are now want to recover that videos, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the videos. First of all, what you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So for this, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that, you can simply turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, you have to go to settings again, and here you have to simply click on general, and here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply check for the TikTok app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And after installing the latest version of the TikTok app, then you have to simply open the TikTok app here. Now, if you want to recover the videos, then you have to simply go to profile, and after that, you have to simply go to settings and privacy. So if you want to recover your videos, there may be option that you can simply contact the help center of the TikTok app, and after that, you can tell them that you have deleted the videos accidentally, and now you want to recover it. For this, you have to simply click on report a problem, and after that, you can simply mention them in that report TikTok a problem, and you have to simply report that. After that, you have to tell them that you have mistakenly deleted your videos, and if they connect to you, then you have to tell them in detail. Moreover, you can also download your data. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to account, and after that, there will be option available to download your data. So here you can simply download the data of your TikTok video. For this, you have to simply select what kind of data you want to download. So here is options available, but if you do not find related to the videos, so here you can simply you can see that there is no option available as the videos. So your only option is that you can simply connect to the TikTok help center, and whether you can check whether they can help you or not. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.